All right, for this problem, let u equal the power. And then du is negative 8x dx. And to match the 3x dx, we just have to multiply both sides by negative 3/8. So negative 3/8 du, negative 3/8 du gives us the 3x dx. So all that's left is the e to the u power. All right, for the limits of integration, I would recommend you change them right now. Don't anti-differentiate and then bounce back to x's. Just change your limits of integration here. X is approaching negative infinity, so what's u doing if x is doing that? Well, u is approaching, if x is approaching negative infinity, u is approaching negative 4 times infinity. Because when you square negative infinity, you have basically positive infinity. So u is approaching negative infinity. And as x approaches positive infinity, what's u doing? U is still approaching negative infinity. And therefore, we have this definite integral where the limits are negative infinity. And you'd think that that would be equal to 0, but you should probably do the correct notation for these improper integrals. And when you do that properly with the limits, we can see very quickly that it's equal to negative 3/8 times 0, or just 0. All right, we're going to stop right there. Choice B.